Hello friends, let's learn the chapter of integers in class 7 maths. See, in your previous classes you have already studied the natural numbers, set of natural numbers, that is 1 2 3 4 and so on till infinite. And then the set of whole numbers is 0 1 2 3 4, okay? Starts with 0 and up to infinite. Then comes integers. Integers have negative, 0 and positive numbers. Negative numbers, positive numbers and 0 in between. So in this chapter we are going to learn about the properties of addition and subtraction of integers. The very first thing is closure under addition. See, here's few sums have been given to you. You know that if you add positive numbers into positive number, you get a positive number. If you add negative and negative, you get the answer in negative number. And positive and if one number positive, one number negative, it depends on which one is the bigger number, positive or negative. Now see here, 17 plus 23 equal to 40. Minus 10 plus 3 will give you minus 7. You know that minus 10 is on number line left hand side, and if you add 3 you have to come on the right hand side. The answer will be minus 7. Minus 75 plus 18. So you simply subtract 75 minus 18 and the answer is 57. You put the sign of the bigger number, 57. 19 minus 25. Obviously you know 25 minus 19, 6, and you put the sign of the bigger number, that is 25. Plus 27 minus 27, answer will be 0. Minus 20 plus 0, the answer is 20, and minus 35 plus minus 10, answer will be minus 45. All the numbers, all the result is integer. So here the property is that for any two integers a and b, a plus b is an integer. It is always an integer. Let's see closure under subtraction. 7 minus 9 equal to minus 2. 17 minus minus 21. Here minus minus will become plus. So 17 plus 21 is equal to 38. Here minus 8 minus minus 14. That is minus 8 plus 14 means 14 minus 8 is 6. Minus 21 minus minus 10. So here minus minus becomes plus. Minus 21 plus 10 will be minus 11. 32 minus minus 17. That is 32 plus 17 is plus 49. Minus 18 plus 18 will give you 0. Minus 29 minus 0 equal to minus 29. Here also all of this is an integer. So this is the property of closure under subtraction. So if a and b are integers, then a minus b is also an integer. Let's see the third property, that is commutative property. Commutative property tells you that a plus b is equal to b plus a. If you take any number, minus 8 plus minus 9 is equal to minus 9 plus minus 8, or 2 plus 3 is equal to 3 plus 2. Okay, this is very simple. So next property is associative property. Associative property says that if minus 5 plus into bracket minus 3 plus minus 2, then minus 5 plus minus 3 is going to be, even if you change the sequence of the numbers, the answer is going to be the same. See, here it is nicely explained to you that here minus 1 and plus 1 and minus 7 is in a bracket. So minus 7 plus 1 will give you minus 6, and minus 3 plus minus 6 will give you minus 9. Here minus 7 is out of the bracket, but 1, minus 3 and 1 is in the bracket. So minus 3 plus 1 is minus 2, and then you add minus 7 into it, answer will be minus 9. So this is the property of association, where a plus into bracket b plus c, then it is the same as a plus b into bracket n plus c. So even if you change the sequence of the number, the answer is going to be same. This is what it is telling. Additive identity. If you add 0 to any number, the answer will be the same number. This is what it says. So minus 23 plus 0 will give you minus 23. 0 plus minus 59 will give you minus 59. So a plus 0 will give you a. Whether you add or subtract 0 into any number, you will get the answer the same number. Okay. Now see, there are some examples given here. You can go through those examples. Let's go through exercise 1.1. I have already written the answers for you. Here are the answers. See, the question 1, exercise 1.1, question 1 says -5 plus -2, it will give you -7. You have to give the sum. Write down a pair of integers whose sum is -7. So here -5 -2 equal to -7. You can also write -3 plus -4 or any other pair. Then you have to write a pair where the difference is -10. So here -10 minus 0 is -10. You can also write -9 -1, or you can write -11 plus 9, anything, right? You can write numbers where the difference is -10. Then sum is 0. Write down a pair where the sum is 0. So you can write any pair, -5 plus -5 minus plus 5, or see here -40 plus 40. Next question, write a pair of negative integers whose difference gives 8. So here -18 minus -10, answer is -8. Okay, there are many other numbers which can be written here. You can think about it and you can write it. Write a negative integer and a positive integer whose sum is -5. So -10 plus 5 equal to -5. You can also write -15 plus 10. You can write -25 plus 20. Okay, the answer is going to be -5 only. Here also at the age of 18 and 10, you can keep on changing the numbers. The answer should be -8. Question 2c. Write a negative integer and a positive integer whose difference is -3. So a negative integer -2 minus plus 1. So this is -3. Same way you can write any other number, -6 minus 3 or something, right? -6 plus -6 minus plus 3, something like that. You will get the answer -3 only. Or you can write -13 minus plus 10. Okay, you will get the answer -3 only. Now let's see the next question. In a quiz, a team A scored -40 plus 10 and 0, and B scored 10, 0 and -40. Now you see in 3 successive rounds, but you see this is -40, 10 and 0. Here also -40, 10 and 0 is going to be same. They have asked you which team scored more, but the answer is nobody scored more. Both of them scored equal. Okay, and we can add integers in any order. Yes. Last question. These are fill in the blanks only. So have a look here. -5 plus -8 is equal to -8 plus -5. -53 plus 0 equal to -53. 17 and -17 equal to 0. Here you just have to change this sequence, same sequence you have to write here. So here -7 is given, here also -7 will come, here -3 is given, here also -3 will come. Let's see ahead multiplication of integers. Now you know that when you multiply positive number with a positive number, you will get a positive number only, but if you will multiply two negative numbers, you will get the answer positive. When you multiply a positive number with a negative number, you will get the answer negative. See here, one more important thing, if you will multiply two negative numbers, you will get a positive answer, but if you will multiply three negative numbers, you will get a negative answer. Again, if you will multiply 4 negative numbers, you will get a positive answer, but if you will multiply 5 negative numbers, you will get a negative answer. So remember that if you will multiply even times the negative numbers, you will get a positive answer, but if you will multiply the numbers odd times, negative numbers odd times, you will get a negative answer. Here -3, you are adding 4 times, it will give you, when you add it will give you negative only, but when you will multiply it, it changes. Okay, so you need to remember that. Here 4 into minus 8 will give you minus 32, 6 into minus 5 will give you minus 30, 3 multiplied by minus 7 will minus 21, and 2 multiplied by minus 9 will be minus 18. Here also 10 multiplied by minus 43 will give you minus 430. Here everywhere the answer will be 1 positive, 1 negative, the answer will be negative only. And please remember that. So here two positive integers a and b, we can say for any two positive integers, we can say a into minus b will be minus a into plus b. So it will be together minus a into b. Here let's see, minus 3 multiplied by minus 3, answer will be plus 9. Minus 3 multiplied by minus 4, answer will be plus 12. Minus 4 multiplied by 2, answer will be minus 8. And this same thing equal to minus 12 plus 4. Minus 4 into 1, that is minus 4. Minus 4 multiplied by 0 equal to 0. Any number, if you will multiply any number with 0, the answer will be 0 only. And if you will multiply any number with 1, you will get answer the same number. Please remember that. Minus 3 into minus 1 equal to 3. Two negative numbers, multiplication will be a positive number. Remember that always. So here also it is given minus a into minus b is equal to ab. Let's see the next number. Property of multiplication of integer, closure under multiplication. See, minus 20 multiplied by minus 5, answer is 100. So here any two negative number you multiply, you get a positive answer. So product is an integer. Here commutativity of multiplication. Minus 30 into 12, answer is minus 360. 12 multiplied by minus 30, 360. So it says that whether you, even if you change the order of the numbers, then also the answer is the same. So whether you do minus 35 into minus 12 or you do minus 12 into minus 35, the answer is going to be the same. And this is the property of commutativity. Next is, see, here it is given a multiplied by b equal to b multiplied by a. Multiplication by 0. Any number you multiply with 0, answer is going to be 0 only. Multiplicative identity, if you multiply any number with a, answer will be the same number. Let's see associativity. This is same as we have learnt in addition and subtraction, whether you do a multiply by b and then c, or you do a and then multiply b into c, answer is going to be same. You can do 2 and into bracket 3 multiply by 4, or you can do 2 multiply by 3 and then the product you multiply with 4, answer is going to be the same. Next is distributive property. Distributive property is like this: minus 2 into bracket, multiplied by 3 plus 5. This means minus 2 multiplied by 3 plus minus 2 multiplied by 5. So again, minus 4 multiplied by minus 2 plus 7. This means minus 4 multiplied by minus 2 plus minus 4 multiplied by 7. So this is the property of distribution. This is distributive property. Check it out. And this distributive property is not only in addition, it is also there in subtraction. So please remember this. It is also in subtraction. So remember it. Now let's do the exercise 1.2. See, exercise 1.2. First one is 3 multiplied by minus 1, answer is minus 3. Minus 1 multiplied by 255, answer is minus 255. Minus 21 multiplied by minus 30, answer is 630, because negative negative answer is positive. Here also negative negative answer is positive. Any number multiplied by 0, answer is 0. Minus 12 multiplied by minus 11 is 132, because two negative numbers will give you positive answer. And then, sorry, I forgot to show you. So again, minus 15 into 0 and minus 18 into 0, answer 0. Minus 12 into minus 11, answer becomes plus 132 multiplied by 10, 1320. And then 9, here two negative numbers, product is 6 3s are 18. 18 9s are 162. Let's see next. Here three negative numbers you are multiplying, so your answer is going to be negative. Here you are multiplying three negative numbers again. 1 2s are 2, 2 3s are 6, and 6 4s are 24. So here minus 24 answer. And then here four negative numbers you are multiplying, the answer will be positive. Let's do verification. Here we have to verify. Now see, verification is a question where you have to verify a statement to see that it is correct. Okay, so here this is known as left hand side, this portion. Sorry children. This portion is left hand side and this is the right hand side. So we start with the left hand side, where 18 multiplied by 17 minus 3, 18 4s are 72. And then we start with the right hand side. So right hand side we are given 18 7s are 126 and 18 3s are 54 minus 54. So answer is 72. And then you can see that you compare LHS and RHS and then you write LHS is equal to RHS. Now see another verification. Minus 21 into bracket minus 4 plus minus 6. And then you have to show this LHS and RHS. So you verify that this is the same. Minus 1 multiplied by A will give you minus A. Product of 22 with minus 1 will be minus 22. This two, if you will multiply negative number, answer will be plus 37. And then product of integer is this. Now let's see. There is a question. It's a tricky question. We will read this and then I'll explain you. Starting from minus 1 to 5, write various products showing some pattern to show minus 1 into minus 1 equal to 1. Starting with minus 1 into 5. So we have started here with minus 1 into 5. Then we have written minus 1 into 4 is equal to minus 4. Okay, so that means we did minus 5 minus minus 1. Means minus 5 plus 1 is equal to minus 4. Then we are continuing with minus 1 into minus 1 multiplied by 3 minus 1 multiplied by 2. We reach minus 1 multiplied by 1. And then finally we reach here that minus 1 multiplied by minus 1 gives you 0 plus 1. Okay. Now let's see the next question. I think I have made a mistake over here. Some mistake. So this is up to 4, 1.2. Now let's see here division of integers. We have seen addition, subtraction, multiplication, and now we are looking at division. See, you know that 6 2s are 12 and my answer is minus 12. So now when you will divide minus 12 by minus 6, you will get the answer 2, or you divide minus 12 with minus 2, you will get the answer minus 6. Same way here, minus 7 multiplied by minus 3 gives you plus 21. But if you will divide 21 with minus 7, you will get minus 3. Or if you will divide 21 with by minus 3, you will get minus 7. So same thing happens here. You have to think about it. See, a divided by 1 gives you a. Remember all the properties of multiplication, and the same properties we are going to use in division, but just remember what you are supposed to do with that. Let's see exercise 1.3. See, minus 30 divided by 1 will give you minus 3. 50 divided by minus 5 will give you minus 10. Minus 36 divided by minus 9 will give you plus 4. Minus 49 divided by 49 will give you minus 1. 13 divided by minus 2 plus 1. Here minus 2 plus 1 makes minus 1. And the answer will be minus 13. 0 divided by minus 12 will give you 0. Minus 31, here into bracket there is minus 30 and minus 1. This minus 30 and minus 1 becomes minus 31. Here minus 36 divided by 12 divided by 3. So here this one, first we will solve the bracket. The answer is minus 3, and then the answer comes, that is minus 1. Now there is a verification given over here. Let's see. We have to verify this thing, and we have to place the value of A, B and C. Here both the side values are given, and you are supposed to write those values and verify. So see, here it is not correct. One side it comes minus 6, other side plus 3. It is not verified. Next is also, here also it is not verified. You check it properly, put these values and see. Both of them are not equal. So not verified. Let's see the next question. Here it is fill in the blanks. 369 divided by 1. If you'll divide by 1, then only you'll get this answer. Then here also the answer is 1. Very simple blanks. Minus 75 divided by 75 will give you minus 1. Here minus 87 divided by minus 1 will give you 87. Minus 48 divided by 48 will give you minus 1. Here also. These are very simple ones. You have to write 5 pairs. Just let me see if this question is there. See, this is the fourth question. Write 5 integers where a divided by b is equal to minus 3 and one pair is given. A divided by b should become minus 3. So see here, you can write many pairs like this. You can start with 15 divided by minus 5. You can start with whole table of 3 actually. You can write minus 12 divided by 4. So minus 3 is the answer. Again 15 divided by minus 5, then 18 divided by minus 6, then 3 6 are 3 7s are minus 21 divided by minus 21 divided by 7. So all these numbers you can write. There you can write any number. 36 divided by minus 12. You'll get the answer 3. Minus 3. Let's see. Here there is a question given where the temperature at 12 noon was 10 degree above 0. 10 degrees Celsius above 0, and then it decreases at the rate of 2 degrees Celsius per hour until midnight. Every hour it decreases, it drops 2 degree, right? So we have to start with 12 noon. See here, it is 10 degree and change per hour minus 2 degrees Celsius. So actually if you start at 12 noon, by midnight it drops to 12 noon 9 p.m. See, 12 noon it is 9 p.m. It is given in your textbook. See here, it is above 0, 10 degrees Celsius. So 12 noon it is 10, and then it drops, keeps on dropping to 2 degree. So by 12 o'clock at midnight it goes up to minus, just a moment, it goes up to, see, minus 24 degrees Celsius. You can also count it just that 12 noon it is 10, so 1 o'clock it will be 8, 2 o'clock it will be 6, then 3 o'clock it will be 4, and 4 o'clock it will be 2, like that. See, temperature at midnight. So 2 degrees Celsius you can do here x time, so 10 minus 2x will be minus 8, and here you solve the equation. 9 hours from 12 noon is 9 p.m. and 9 p.m. the temperature is minus 8, and this is the temperature of midnight. You can find it out this way. Let's see the next sum, that is in class test plus 3 marks are given for every correct answer and minus 2 for every wrong answer. Radhika scored 20 marks and it has got 12 correct answer. How many questions she has attempted correctly? Let's see this. See, 12 correct answers, she scored 36 marks, and for every wrong answer she has lost 2 marks. So here let's see total. She scored 20, so 36 plus minus 2a. 20 is equal to 36 minus 2a. 2a is equal to 36 minus 20. 2a is equal to 16. So a is equal to 8. Now here Mohini scores minus 5 marks in this test and she has got 7 correct answer. So how many questions she has attempted incorrectly? Let's see Mohini's score. See, 3 into 7, that is 21, and for every incorrect answer minus 2 multiplied by 8. Total marks scored is equal to marks scored plus marks deducted. So minus 5 is equal to 21 plus minus 2a. 2a is equal to 21 plus 5. So finally 13 questions were attempted incorrectly. The last question of this chapter, that is elevator descends in a mine shaft at a rate of 6 meter per minute. Every minute it goes down 6 meters and it starts at 10 meter above the ground level and it goes up to minus 350. Now see, 10 meter above ground level is started and it goes down up to 350 meters. So totally it has gone 360 meters down. So you can simply put a formula, simply put a statement that in 1 minute it goes about 6 meters. For going 6 meters down it takes 1 minute. So for going 360 meters down, how many minutes it will take? So just divide 360 by 6 and you will get the answer, that is 60 minutes, that is 1 hour. So this is so simple, very simple answer, and I think that's it for today. I've already explained you this whole chapter. See you next time.